this good topic day today. Mr. Das, I thank you for you and God and Guru Maharaj. I see all people very nice today, happy. The lockdown is help to others because you are meet there. Here we are meet. That is a lockdown is help to our meet. Then the lockdown help to for you, body and mind free. You sitting here the bhajan, you sitting the divine mind. Full day you sitting the divine mind. The lockdown help to you. Always your body and mind control for you. This lockdown period, you take happy, you take peaceful mind, you take meditation, you take asanas practice, you take pranayamas. This is help the time. You use the time, body and mind, peaceful life, the lockdown period. So my dear brothers, my dear sisters, my dear fathers, my dear mothers, all are sitting here. I happy. I plan to go to practically your body fitness and mind peaceful life. Today, I simple asanas for everyone doing, not only age group. The age is only, year is going, but mind and body always young. Your mind free, your mind empty, always happy. That is give the yoga practice. Always your mind go to outside. Today your mind come to inside. Your mind, empty mind, always happy life, always living happy. So, the way of yoga, your life best style for go to the yoga life. Yoga is not only physical exercise. Yoga, inside your body and mind, go to the connection for the God. So, I today teaching for the Kundalini Yoga Pranayamam. All age group, you take it. You must watch, then you practice, no problem. You sit proper, sit on Padmasana, no. You sit proper, Siddhasana, no. You sit your style. You sit your comfortable style. Siddhasana, chair, you sit chair, no problem. Age, no problem. I am 70 years old. No, old, I am young. So you are happy. So, not sit the proper. I simple Kundalini Yoga Pranayama practice. So, I practice. Hello? Okay. You now 7? கேளுமா அந்த பாட்டு
ভাই সমস্যার মিউট করে দিও, সমস্যা মিউট করে দাও দয়া করে, নাহলে মিস করব। মিউট করে দিও।
Huh? I now practice. I teaching practice and you take it everything. Okay? Practice பண்ணலாமா? You sit proper and straight. No Padmasana, you sit in chair or simple normal sitting, no problem. Okay? You breathing only exercise, not only Padmasana, you sit in chair, no problem. Your head, Namaskar position, then you start the pranayama up and down. Deep breath, then close your mouth and slowly touch the neck. Normal breathing now. Then up, you breathing slowly up, then come here. Straight and exhale. Slowly come and close, touch the neck here, normal breathing. Then you scale straight, then open your hands. Now the exertion gives the energy, nature energy, take it this arms. Come on. Then close, slowly come, namaste, then put here hand, slowly touch. Normal breathing. Then up, slowly, then come here. Then use the Chin Mudra. Now start. 10 counts the breathing in, scale and out. Slowly, then come. Your neck touch here, normal breathing. Now up, slowly here, your hand inside. The nature energy come to the wave inside the body and accentuate your body, all body. 72 nerve system, 72,000 now nerve system working this pranayama, Kundalini Yoga pranayama. Now start. Come, slowly, then now. Touch, rest and normal breathing. 2 seconds. Then come up, slowly out to the air. Then put the hand to the shoulder. Now we start same pranayama. Same air go to the inside the lungs. The lungs is automatically full lungs air is going to oxygen going to there. The oxygen going to bumping the heart. The heart blood circulation immediately. Then go to the kidney, blood circulation there. This very nice. You are young, feel the young man. You feel the young mind. You feel happy always. Now start. Now here, put here. Slowly come. Normal breathing. Then put hand, touch here, normal. Automatically your nervous system and blood circulation and muscles is running there. So, no disease. Automatically immunity for your body. Come on now. Now put here, front side and go the hands back side. So rotate the round. Like the train engine is going fast. That's like the body. Now close your eyes. Now come, now in back side, this side. Slowly come. Touch here, meditate your mind here. Now up. You put the hand, lock here. Lock here, then turning this side, this side. then touch here, love touch. All of you slowly practice, automatically increase the power, increase the energy, increase the vibration for your body. So slowly move everything, not speed. I am regular practice, I am my body speed. You are slowly. No edge. Your action, your hand, your shoulder is very good function here. Your knee function here. Your shoulder function here. Finger function here. Automatically you gain. That is the practice in yoga. This practice is special. That is I gave you. The Das is very good. Now we start next. Now put here. Free. Then touch, namaskar, then close your eyes. Now up. Now the sky energy come to your body now. So you take it, everything energy and vibration, the sky, the air, everything come to your body. This is this function. Open, then down. Open, then down. Close, then down here. You touch here, close your eyes. Sure. Now up. Divine energy and divine vibration, divine power inside of your body. So now the side bones, you put the side bones, bushing here, sewing bones, automatically in any disease for your body, automatically go out. This side bone, you pushing here and normal breathing, speed. Close, then come down, meditate your eyes in center eyes. Your mind also go to the center eyes. Are you? Now put the hand, this type of in all one, first this type, then this type. Come on. Lock everything your body in outside energy not come in negative energy. Only positive energy coming the body. Come on, nice now. Your mind also go to the air going and out going out, you move. Compulsory your mind go to automatically the nose. So your mind is go not outside. So automatically meditation for inside for your body. Now you will put the hand, the back board, hip, you put the hip rotation, this type. You put the pushing here. Oh! Push. Come on. Automatically, regular practice, 50 counts or 20 counts, 10 counts, no problem. Automatic back pain, no back pain. The back pain, side hip pain, anything not come. Automatically you sitting here, oh, not, yeah, always is strong for the body and bone. That is the practice. No disease, your body. Then when comes to the hip, you put the hip side. Automatically kidney, hip and pancreas, everything automatically will function. Come on. Slow, then come, touch your neck. Normal breathing. Now, the body, your body full mind concentration for the stomach. Food varieties here. Variety food is going there, working there. The liver, pancreas, and kidney, circulation, blood circulation, everything. Adrenal glands here. So the function is very good. Your hand is put there, here. Now start speed, out and going there, yeah. Down, close our eyes. Automatically your stomach, all part, kidney, no failure. Sugar not come. No sugar. It automatically outing the sugar body, everything. No sugar patient, no kidney patient, no adrenal swelling patient. So your stomach is very good. Regular practice only. You not go to the hospital. You regular practice in yoga. You not go to the hospital. You not spend the hospital time. You spend your body. And the time, you every day, half an hour, you spend the body. You not go to the hospital, time is waste. Okay? Automatically you cure body, cure mind. Now you go to the lungs and heart. Put here. And your oxygen, full oxygen go there. Carbon dioxide automatically go outside. Now start. no disease for the heart, no disease for the lungs. You know somebody in pressure, everything, you slowly, that only, not speed. Automatically everything normal. You put together shoulder now. Namaskar. The shoulder pain no come there, the backbone no come here. Your spinal cord no pain. Automatically everything purified the Kundalini Pranayamam. The oxygen go to the all spots. The all outside the carbon dioxide suddenly get out. That is the pranayama, Kundalini Yoga pranayama. This is special pranayama practice. Then, now the king of glands, pituitary pineal body glands. This is the king, all glands. Pituitary pineal body, they are inside, thyroid, parathyroid, thymus, adrenal surgery, pancreas, everything here. 7 glands for working, purify everything. Regular practice, your glands automatically running, the purify the blood circulation. So now put here pituitary pineal body glands. You touch here and automatically go to the air. Now practice now slowly, 10 counts only. Automatically you increase the time, 50 seconds, 20 seconds, 30 seconds, you know, any practice, automatically very long life, no disease. That is the main. Happy day, every day you will automatically your mind go to the inside. That is the Kundalini Yoga Pranayama. Then you sit normal practice. I sit Vajrasana, you sit proper, no problem. Your hand is here, your head is down. Automatically lungs is function, heart is function, kidney function, pancreas function, adrenal function, thymus function. Thyroid, parathyroid, automatically function. Come on. Then slowly come inside. You put here this is a normal exercise for half an hour, 30 minutes you take your body care. Automatically the body care for you, you for care the body. Automatically change. Then the arms you put the arms exercise slowly 10 counts. Then this 10 counts. Then this 10 counts. Then back front, back front, back front, back front, back front. After the age group people, the pain, no pain here. Age group, no pain here, everything shoulder. Automatically work there. Then finger, automatically finger, everything. Very young finger, you come to the become young finger. Come on, do this one. Huh? Automatically come. Then back, this one, this one, this one. Then you put the normal sitting the hair, body. In chair, no problem. Chair you sitting, you put this side. Then start this side. Then normal. Then you put a hand. Slowly you move the body back side. Then start. Then you put anybody, your body condition, you move your body automatically come to the young stage of energy, young blood circulation. Your body now you are 75 years, but my energy in 35. Okay? So you start your body. Half an hour you spend by half an hour you spend the body. Automatically 30 years you go back. So now rotate the body, but not only the diseased body and a very age old, no problem. You slow moving this one. First, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Any age, you go to the wall, you join the wall, then you slowly, okay? The knee pain not come. Automatically the knee is not come. Everything cure. Then your body rotate slowly here. Round. The backbone automatically strong. The backbone, every 72 nerves, the backbone is going the nerve system and muscle system, everything backbone. So your backbone is very strong. Automatically slowly, slow moving, round the body. Then come to sit, Komugasana or Sittasana or Padmasana or Sukhasana or stand sitting as in the chair, no problem. Your mind controlled automatically, slowly, normal breathing. You watch your breathing. Then calm and quiet. Our salutation, our mother. Our salutation go to our father. Our salutation go to our Guru. We namaskar God. Hari Om Tat Sat. Everybody, my brothers, everybody, my souls, everybody, Gurudeva devotees, regular practice, everything. Half an hour you go to the automatically meditation also this. Your mind not go outside. Automatically meditation. So I thankful Mr. Das. Good the time, using the time, the help of the divine souls. Hari Om Tat Sat. Om Bhagavate Shivanandaya. Namaskar. Namaskar. Namaskar.